He scored some big shots today so far, but he can't score here. He gets the rebound, and it's an attacker foul. 8 seconds left for Croatia to snatch the win. They've trailed for most of the game, but they score the winner at the buzzer. The scenes at Arena Zagreb as Croatia come from 4 down with 5 minutes left to play. And Marin Šipić, as he's done over and over and over again for Croatia, delivers with a final shot, with a final touch of this match. And Croatia's dream live on. Domagoj Duvnjak's career lives on. Incredible scenes. Heartbreak for Hungary, who've led for the vast majority of this game.